Start.
Welcome student. So we know that student we already started a chapter chemical reaction and equation. In this chapter, that is we already completed concept balancing a chemical equation. Now in today class we will study that is the one question. That question is that write the balance equation for following reaction. Write balance equation for following reaction, and we have given that is the reaction sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid. It forms sodium sulfate plus water. This is actually our question. Now we have to balance this chemical equation. To balance the chemical equation, we know that we use generally 7 steps. Okay, you can use 5 steps also. Okay, so that is the step 1. Write chemical equation in a word form. Write chemical equation in a word form. Means what? That is the sodium hydroxide. It is represented by the symbol NaOH. Sulfuric acid. It is represented by the symbol that is the is actually not in word form is as it is sodium hydroxide. Sorry for that step. Sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid, then it forms sodium sulfate plus water. Step 1. Now step number 2. Step 2, we know that what is our step 2? Write chemical equation in symbolical form. Write chemical equation in a symbolical form. So we know that for this we must be know that is the symbol related to each compound. Sodium hydroxide NaOH symbol used for the sodium hydroxide. Then sulfuric acid, it is represented by the symbol H2SO4. This is the symbol. Then sodium sulfate, it is represented by the symbol Na2SO4. And what is remaining now? Water. Each and every student knows that is the chemical formula of the water. It's very simple. That is the H2O is the chemical formula of the water. After that, after representing step number 2nd, now we use step number 3rd. What is our 3rd step? Count the number of elements present in a LHS side and present in the RHS side, means present in the reactant side and present in the product side. So simply we will represent, write the component or element present in a LHS and RHS. So simply which component is present? That is the component, then 11 component means it is actually 11 present in LHS side, and next one in RHS side. Which component is present? That is the first component is the Na. Second component is the oxygen. Third component is the hydrogen. It is again hydrogen, it is revived, that's why we avoid this term now. Next one, sulfur. Oxygen, it is again repeated, that's why it is again avoided. Now how much sodium is present here? That is the 1 sodium present in LHS side. How much sodium present in RHS side? 2 sodium. Then oxygen, this 1 and this 4, it become 5. Now here this 4 and this 1 5, that is oxygen. Hydrogen, this 1 plus 2 become 3. And here that is the only 2 hydrogen atom. Then sulfur, here 1, here again 1. So this is balanced, not balanced. It is unbalanced chemical equation. Why it is unbalanced? So sodium LHS 1, RHS 2. Oxygen 5, why it is balanced, but sodium is unbalanced. Hydrogen, here 3, here 2, it is again unbalanced. Sulfur is balanced. So we need to balance a chemical equation by using some step. Before that, we know that is the step number 4. Step 4, write a chemical equation in box. That is the simply NaOH, sodium hydroxide, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, H2O, it is water. This is step number 4. So check which component we have to balance. That is the which component easily we balance by using multiplication step, that is the sodium. Why? Because in RHS2 it required to simply multiply by 2 of this sodium, it become balanced. Then we use that is the step 5, multiply by 2 on which component? NaOH. Then twice this NaOH plus H2SO4 as it is. Then Na2SO4 plus H2O. So this is the step number 3. Now we will check it out. Component LHS, RHS. So we are having the component. One is the sodium, second one is the oxygen, third one is the hydrogen, fourth one is the sulfur. How much sodium is there? 2. It is again 2. Means sodium balance now. Oxygen, this 2 plus this 4 means actually how much it become? This 2 and this 4 becomes 6. Here that is the 4 plus 2, 6. Means it is again balance. So actually after that this 4, 1, it is actually 5. Stop. It is not 6, it is actually 5. Hydrogen, actually we already know that this 2 and this how much? 2. It become 4. Here that is the 2 is there only. Sulfur 1, 1. Actually it is again unbalanced. So for this we need to balance the chemical equation again. So for this we need to again multiply by 2 of that water H2O, because here 4 and here 2, it convert into 4, simply multiply by 2 of this H2O. Means twice NaOH plus this H2 SO4 Na2 SO4 plus that is the 2 multiply, that's what twice H2. Now we will check it is balanced or not. That is the component element present in LHS side, element present in RHS side. So sodium, second one is the oxygen, third one is the hydrogen, and then sulfur. How much sodium atom? 2. Here again. Oxygen, this 2 plus 4, 6. Now here 4 and this 2, it become means actually 6. It is balanced. Hydrogen, this 2, 2, 4 and this 2, 2 again 4. Sulfur 1, 1. This is balanced chemical equation. In this way, we can represent or you can balance the chemical equation. You can again use that in the state, physical state as well as if catalyst is used. But up to this step is also correct. So in this way we completed that is balanced chemical equation and its example.